If you are looking to build a productivity automation tool with the Hermes agent and Google Workspace tools, then this is the only video which you need to watch. Because in this video, I'll be showing you how you can connect Hermes agent with the Google products. For example, how you can connect it with the Gmail, how you can connect it with the Google Drive, how you can connect it with the Google Sheet, how you can connect it with the Google Calendar and the Google Documents as well. That means you are going to connect your Hermes agent with the complete Google Workspace ecosystem. Now, the question is where it is going to be useful. Suppose that you are working with a project that is going to be lead generation project where you want to store all the informations about your client. Then you can connect your Hermes agent with the Google Workspace. Then you can save all these information in the Google Drive. You can save it on Google Docs or the Gmail or the Google Sheet. Here you can see all these setups are done, and I had asked here a simple question from the Hermes agent to create a productivity automation using the Gmail, Google Sheet, Google Drive, PDF generation and the Google Calendar. Everything was done. Everything was done. This is really awesome project. All right guys, let's go ahead and get started with this. So first thing first, as you know, we are going to enable Google Gmail services, Google Calendar services, Google Sheet services. Basically, it is going to be like a complete Google Workspace. For that, you need to come on console.google.com. Thereafter, here you need to search your APIs. Otherwise, you can just simply come here on APIs and services. Thereafter, it is going to take you on a dedicated page, which is going to be for the API services. Now what you need to do here, you need to search your API services. For example, let's say you have here the calendar. All right. Let's say if you want to enable the calendar services, then you need to search here Google Calendar API. All right. So it is going to be like this one. Thereafter, you need to enable it. Okay. So you just enable this. Thereafter, you need to also enable all other services as well. For example, you have Google Sheet, you have then Google Doc API, then you have Google People API. All these need to be enabled. Let's go ahead and do that. So here I have the Google Sheet API. Let's enable this one. Thereafter, I have here the Google Doc API. Enable this one. Google People API is there. Let's enable that one. And here we have the Google Drive API. Let's go ahead and enable this Google Drive API as well. So we have enabled our Gmail API. All right. And Google Drive API we have enabled. We have enabled Sheet API. Seems like Gmail API we did not enable. Okay, no issue at all. Let's go ahead and search for that as well. So we can search here like Gmail API. All right, let's go ahead and enable that. Seems like that is already enabled in my case, but it is not enabled in your case. If then you can just simply click on enable, then this Gmail API service will be also enabled for you. Once you have enabled all required services, thereafter you need to click on manage. Then it is going to take you on API services page. And then on API services page, you have here credentials. Click on credentials, then you are going to see here all API keys, you are going to see OAuth clients and the service account. Then you can just simply click on create credentials. We are going to create here OAuth client ID. Click on there. Thereafter, it is going to take you on Google Auth platform, client and create client. There you need to select your application. Let's go ahead and select the desktop application. And here I'm going to say it like this, Hermes Google Workspace, let's say. Thereafter, let's go ahead and create it. All right, now it is created. Let's go ahead and download this JSON file. This JSON file we will need later on during our Google Workspace setup with the Hermes agent. Once that is done, thereafter, let's close this. Thereafter, what you need to do here, you need to click on the OAuth consent screen. There you need to select test users and other stuffs as well. Then click on the client. Here in the client, you are going to see Hermes Google Workspace. Click on there. Thereafter, it is going to take you on this particular page. All right, then you need to click on audience actually. All right, inside the audience, you are going to have here the test user. In test user, you need to write your email address which you want to use to test your Google Workspace. I'm going to use like this kgptalkie@gmail.com. So this is going to be my test email. Let's go ahead and save this. And this is also going to be my test user as well. All right, so this is stored here. You can clearly see here, this is stored as the test user. So once you have created your OAuth credentials, then you need to just simply open your Hermes agent. Thereafter, inside this, you need to write this simple command like this: set up my Google Workspace, like Gmail, Docs, Sheets, etc. with Hermes agent, let's say. Now it is automatically going to ask, basically it is automatically going to set up for you, and then it will ask what your what your credentials are required by the Hermes agent. All right, now it is telling here what kind of services do you want. I want full workspace access. Let's go ahead and do this. Thereafter, it is going to ask about our credentials. This one I'm going to say that no, I'm not sure. All right, because hardware security is not present. It is going to ask about the downloaded JSON secret file. Let's go ahead and give the path. So here it is. All right, let's go ahead and copy as the path. Thereafter, I'm going to just give this here. All right, now it is automatically going to read this JSON file behind the scene, and then it will extract all the credentials which we downloaded during our OAuth creation. Here you can see it has started working. Now it will take a little bit time. Thereafter, you will see all these setups are done. And finally, all setup is done. Thereafter, it is going to give you one authorization link. You need to copy this authorization link. Then you need to provide access to this Hermes agent. Let's copy it and then paste it here. Now, I'm going to use the same email which I had provided in my test email. Thereafter, I'm going to continue this. Then I'm going to select here everything. Basically, my Hermes agent is going to access my Gmail services. It is going to access my Google Drive, my calendar, everything here. Let's go ahead and continue this. Thereafter, ideally, it should be done. Let's go ahead and come back here. All right, that may show an error. Please copy the entire URL from your browser address bar or just the authorization code. All right. Let's come back here. Thereafter, I'm just going to copy this everything from here. Thereafter, I'm going to paste it here. All right. Then I just come back here again. Then I just come here and then paste it here. So it has clearly identified that there would be the error. So don't worry about that. Let's run this. So from here, it is automatically going to get the authorization code for you, and then it is going to complete the Gmail workspace or Google Workspace setup with the Hermes agent. All right, we have successfully set up Google Workspace access. The user wanted to set up Google Workspace like Gmail, Docs, Sheet, etc. We have completed the OAuth flow and obtained the token. Now we should verify that setup works by running check and maybe providing a quick usage example. All right. Excellent. Now it is going to do all the tests for us so that it can verify whether all these setup process is done successfully and correctly or not. All right. Now you see Hermes agent has completed Google Workspace setup. Everything is done. Now here all use cases are also given for Google Gmail, Google Calendar, Google Drive, Google Sheet, Google Doc, Contacts. Now you can get started with all of these. I have a very simple use case here. Create a productivity automation using Gmail, Google Sheet, Google Drive, PDF generation, and Google Calendar. All right. What it is going to do, it is going to fetch the 7 latest email, store each email sender and subject in a new Google Sheet, and thereafter review email from last 7 days and create a concise summary, then convert it as a PDF and then store it into the Google Drive. And then it is also going to set the Google Calendar Meet as well. So with this, what is going to happen here? With this, we are going to test all these skills which we had done here just some times back. All right, so it has started here work. We need to wait for some time. In meantime, while it is doing all this stuff, what you can do, you can go ahead and open our drive from here. In meantime, we can also open our calendar as well, because all these we would be able to see. Currently there is no meeting, but once execution is done, we would be able to see the meeting, and also we'd be able to see our files as well, which will be stored in the Google Drive. And here it is done. Productivity automation completed successfully, fetched latest 7 emails, and then sample senders are like these, and then Google Sheet is also created, and here is the summary, and thereafter PDF is also generated, calendar event is also set. Let's go ahead and verify all of these. First of all, what I do, I come here and then check Google Sheet. Currently seems like URL is not there, but anyway, spreadsheet ID is given. What we can do, we can just simply come here. Thereafter, we can just open Google Sheet, and then in that we would be able to see that particular Google Sheet automatically. So here it is, email summary report, and here it is. All right. So we have our seat here. That means our Hermes agent is able to connect with the seat. All right. Excellent. So that particular feature is verified. Let's go ahead and check the calendar. I'm just going to refresh this. In fact, here I can see here at 12 p.m. this meeting is set with the KGP Talkie, Udemy at the rate kgptalkie.com. So we have successfully verified this as well. Let's go ahead and check here the My Drive here. So in My Drive, I should be able to see the seat there. Maybe here it is. All right. So I have here email summary.pdf. That means it is also able to access the Google Drive as well. And here it is. This is really excellent. Seems like, yes, we have verified all the API services which we had created earlier, and everything is working. Now question is here where it is going to be useful. Suppose that you are working with some lead generation project. There you need to store information on Google Sheet. You need to store information on Google Drive. You need to generate the PDF. You need to generate the Excel sheet. There, this kind of project is going to be super helpful for you. And I hope it was helpful to you. And if you are looking for more free videos on Hermes agent and OpenClaw agent, if you are struggling to compare the Hermes agent and the OpenClaw agent, I have done all of these for you. What you need to do, you need to come on KGP Talkie channel. There, I have two playlists, free OpenClaw tutorials and free Hermes agent tutorials. These tutorial playlists are given in the video description. You can just go ahead and watch other videos from this playlist as well. And also, please don't forget to subscribe the KGP Talkie. All right, guys, bye-bye. Take care.